Hi there, I'm Miles Peterson, and you guys are watching the 3D Engineer. Now here I am with a special siren sound off video. It is Memorial Day, and for that I will be blasting off my Patriotic miniature 1:6 scale Federal Signal 3T22 and my 1:8 scale Patriotic A.C.A. Cyclone 125. I think I'll do a few signals of the 3T22 first, some coded signals. We'll also be doing a range test. We've got the decibel meter 50 feet away from these sirens, and we're going to see just how much sound we can pick up. I don't expect a whole lot. These things are pretty small. And then we'll do a really cool blast of both the 3T22 and the Cyclone together to make an 8, 10, 12 port harmony. I'm excited to hear that. All right, just a tiny overview of the sirens. 3T22 fully functional, RC6 control cabinet in case I wanted to do coded signals, and I think I will to start with. Cyclone 125, Patriotic red, white, and blue, both of these, hooked up the power. So that's our setup. Way down there, I don't even know if you can see that, but down there's the DBC reader, and we'll be measuring from there. These things should sound pretty cool. All right, you can just barely see the decibel reader in the corner. Hopefully auto power off doesn't turn it off halfway through the test. Anyway, I'm going to start with a few signals of the 3T22 alert and a high-low, just so you can get a sense of the range, you know, how loud it is from this far. I'm 25 feet away from it right now. And then after that, I will blast the Cyclone and the 3T22 for an 8, 10, 12 port harmony. Stand by. Happy Memorial Day! There you have it, folks. Happy Memorial Day to our veterans out there. Alright, so I think the peak was like 75 decibels from 25 feet away. Not much. But I assure you, they are much, much louder in person. Now, I'm about maybe like somewhere between 5 and 10 feet away from it right now. And I'm just going to show you the decibel reader right here and get you a better sense of how loud they are. They're not really made for long range. So anyway, I'll do another 8, 10, 12 port harmony. The Cyclone is still winding down. There we go. Magical. That sounded very, very pretty. I'm quite fond of that harmony. Well, I guess that's all I got for this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Maybe it'll be a little more exciting. I don't know. But I really enjoyed that harmony. I'm Miles Peterson, and you guys stay creative.